Welcome to the big challenge. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to report anomalies in student results to ensure fairness and accuracy. Because the competition takes place at different times in different schools, compiling the results takes a bit of time. As soon as scores start becoming available, a provisional version of the results is shared with teachers. During this provisional phase, you can review the results and report any anomalies. But remember, reporting is only possible while the results are still provisional. Once the final results are published, the option to report anomalies is no longer available. Log into your teacher account and go to the Contest tab. Then, click on the Results menu on the left, find the student you're concerned about and click the three-dot menu next to their name. Then select Report an Anomaly. You'll be asked to choose a reason from a list. The options include: student's score is too low. The student had a technical problem. There is a problem with the level. Student's score is too high. The student is not registered. The student has done the test without the teacher's consent. This is a teacher. English-speaking student. The student is already on the list. Or simply gate other. Once you've selected the reason, click Submit. Our team will review your report. Please note that if a student's result is marked as not in the rankings, it indicates that their score has been excluded from the official classification. In most cases, when a result is marked as an anomaly, it is excluded from the official rankings. However, the student can usually retake the contest to be included again, for example, if they experienced technical issues or mistakenly selected the wrong level. But if the student wasn't registered or took the test without teacher approval, the result stays excluded. English-speaking students are welcome to participate and receive gifts, but are not eligible for the main prizes. Reviewing anomalies helps ensure the results are accurate and fair for everyone. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching!